Hello my crafty friends and welcome to my craft room. This channel is all about different types of paper crafts, from making journals to mini albums to lap books and all sorts of other fun things. If you find value here, please click the like button, leave me a comment, I love to have a chat with you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you are notified of all new videos. You can also find me on other social media, so make sure you check out those links below too. Right, let's get crafting. Hello, I am so glad to be back with another unboxing for Your Creative Studio. This is the Baker box and I am so happy about this. I have been thinking about doing a baker's or recipe themed journal, so I just know that everything in here is going to be absolutely perfect for that. I know some other crafters have also received this box and there have been other unboxings of this. I have tried desperately not to watch them because I wanted this to be a surprise as I opened it and didn't want that spoilt by watching anybody else's. So I'm sorry if you've done an unboxing. I haven't watched it because I wanted to see this firsthand and have it all be a nice surprise for me. As always, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I always try not to tear this paper as I open it because I know I can use it in my project. And again, the box is crammed full of all of these goodies. Now, to make the unboxing a little bit easier, I am going to move the box out of the way and then bring things over one at a time so we can get a really good look at each item that's in there. So this first packet is a washi tape. Now, I always try and be careful not to rip these envelopes. As you'll see in a moment, I kind of lose that will and just tear into them. But this one I managed to get open reasonably easily. And here is the gorgeous washi tape. It's this lovely kind of checkered pattern, but it's also quite vintagey. So you can see some staining on there. So yeah, it looks really good and it's going to look fabulous in a vintage journal. So just popping that over to the side then, the next package is a stamp and this is actually on a wood block. This is the one that I just could not get open and just ended up tearing it because yeah, I was desperate to get in and have a look at this beautiful stamp. In previous boxes that I've had, the stamps have been those rubber cling stamps, so it was really nice actually to see them on wooden blocks because I personally feel that they stamp really well when they're mounted on a wooden block. So this one is a slice of pie, or a slice of, could be cheesecake, and then we have another wooden block stamp coming up. And this one is a serving tray, or somebody holding a serving tray. And they're really good sizes as well. Again, perfect for a journal. And this is how they look stamped. They stamp really well. The only error was where I hadn't pushed down properly in one of the areas. Okay, so next we have some stickers. We have a couple of small packs and then there is a larger box there. So we'll start with this first booklet. So these are all stickers and there are absolutely loads in here. Most of them are food related, but there are some that aren't, but that's great because that means that I can use them for a wide range of journals. All of the images are ever so pretty. They're a great size, perfect for collaging, perfect for adding to clusters in your journals. And as you can see, this little book is very thick, so lots and lots to play with there. The next little box is again a box of stickers. These are shaped stickers though, so not square. They do have a bit of a shine to them. I know some people who do vintage type styles don't really like the shine. But there are ways to kind of knock the shine back a little bit. You can ink around the edges again if you don't like the white border that's around the outside. That personally doesn't bother me. It obviously depends on the theme. But yeah, I really love these, and these are just so cute. You've got lots of different breads and pretzels and cakes and all sorts of things in there. So again, really brilliant for a baking or recipe style journal. Okay, and then we come to this larger box. Now this does have a mix of different things. So we've got some vellum papers, some vellum-y washi tape type stickers as well. So you can see these vellum images first. So again, lots of really cool vintage, they look like adverts or magazine articles. They are just, yeah, really, really lovely. So you have some vellum ones and then you have some on a paper, which I'm showing now. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but my stomach is actually starting to rumble. Clearly all of this food is making me a little bit hungry, but yeah, I really, really love these. I think these are going to be great for journaling cards and well, embellishing journaling cards as well. And then these are all the little stickers. So again, some of them are shaped, some of them are square, but they're like a washi style, so they are translucent. And again, just more of the same. So vintage style adverts of different things, different foods. But yeah, really cute little stickers. And again, just so many of them. That's something that always impresses me with Your Creative Studio, is they just jam pack full their subscription boxes. There is just so much in here to play around with. Okay, so now we have the rub-on stickers. So again, you get the backing sheet. It does have instructions on the back and the little tool that you use for rubbing on the transfers. I'm just going to take them out so that you can have a look at them. But one thing I always love again is the packaging, because it's made of a nice sturdy card that you can also use in your journals. So these are the different rub-on stickers. Again, various foods, various vintage adverts, that kind of a thing. So perfect for a vintage style journal. Now, I was very confused by this packet when I first took it out. It is incredibly thin. So I wasn't entirely sure what it was. I wasn't sure if it was vellum or some kind of vintage napkin or whatever, but when I took it out, it's actually extremely thin and delicate. It's like a tissue paper, but it has a really nice, again, food images on it, and again made to look old and vintage, which I absolutely love. So, but you can see here how thin they are. You can see my fingers through them. They are quite shiny on one side, but have, yeah, very faint pictures of, I think it's a baker's hat, a rolling pin, that kind of a thing. So really, really nice. They're going to be really lovely to use in a project. And we have some more stickers here. So these are all little rolling pins, and again they are transparent, so you can kind of again see behind. So when you lay this over, when you're doing some collaging, you'll be able to see the image underneath if there is one. Now this really impressed me. So as well as the wooden stamps, there was also included this set of cling stamps, and they are all just such fantastic and cute little baking images. Now there is a little bit of glare, but I will again stamp them so you can see exactly how they look. So this is how they look stamped. Again, a really good impression. I am really pleased with how well these turned out. Okay, so the next little packet is a mix of a couple of things. It's different papers, and I think has some different little stickers in as well. I am sorry, I am opening this a little low on the camera frame, so I'm just slightly off. But as you can see, there are smaller sort of stickers at the front, but then after that they are different paper adverts. Not necessarily to do with food, these though, so again great for any style journal, but some of them do have pictures of things like herbs and things, which obviously would be still great for a recipe journal or some kind of baker's journal. And I love those tickets at the back, they are amazing. Okay, so this is the final package that is in the box. It is a pack full of all different types of papers, which it does list on the back. So there's some vellum papers, some artist papers, which is a little bit textured, and then just some thin normal papers. It's the same designs. Again, I love the backing because it's got that baker's lady on, and again could be used in a journal. But these are the vellum pages, which you can see here. That pattern isn't particularly clear here, but it is when you see it in a different format. Again, that baker lady. I love all those little jugs and things on the shelves. I love that collage sheet as well, that's really pretty. A little menu board. And then here it is in a different style paper, so it's the same thing. So you can see the pattern better here for that page. But it is just a repeat, as I say, just on different types of paper. So you've got a cardstock, you've got, like I said, an artist paper, which is textured, then you have normal paper as well. But it just repeats the same patterns over, but like I said, just on different papers. But the artist paper feels really, really nice actually. It has a really lovely texture to it. And that is all the goodies from the Your Creative Studio box. I am absolutely thrilled. As I said, they always seem to jam-pack the box full. There are so many stamps and stickers and papers and things that can be used here, so I am really looking forward to starting my new recipe / baker's journal. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know in the comments which was your favourite item. For me, I think it has to be the stamps. But I know all things are going to look fabulous in my journal. Well, that's it from me. I will see you all in the next video. See you later. Bye bye.